A.
Hey?
That's a T.
Come on,
Scribble it out and try another one. Okay, ready?
Now what is it? I'm going to make it into a big circle.
There you go. Okay, try your M. Good. A. Give it a stick. Here, ready? Watch.
I can do it.
Okay. Can you do it? That's an A. Good job. That's a little A. And then the X on the other side. After the A, put an X right here.
How do you do X?
Like this. See?
That's an X.
That's an X right there.
Oh.
Okay, make your X. Right there. Good job. Max.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Copycat.
My finger.
Your fingers. Make a smiley face. Great job.
That's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
He's wearing glasses.
Yeah.
Whoa! What is this?
Whoa! My hands are green.
Yes, your hands are green.
Oh my gosh. Look at